Skip the guesswork and start with data at your fingertips, powering advanced onboard diagnostics and troubleshooting. It's all on board Vermeer's 4th generation D24 drill. Leave the laptop and service tool behind. All diagnostic data is accessed directly on the display. Also new to the D24, this data includes troubleshooting guidance, not just telling you when something happens, but directing you to a solution. Let's take a look. To access the diagnostics, select the wrench icon. Selecting any icon in the menu will open a new window outlining information relevant to that component or system. For example, selecting the right joystick icon will display the joystick on screen. In the center of the screen, you'll see a target icon. Moving, then releasing the joystick verifies that the joystick correctly returns to its neutral position. If you want to check the functionality of any button on the joystick, simply press the button and watch the screen. If functioning properly, the button will light up on the display. This also verifies that the associated wiring and controllers are in working order. To access other diagnostic screens, return to the menu. Accessing the auto rod exchange screen gives operators visibility on the operating requirements and the sensors for ARE. This box identifies all of the operating requirements needed for ARE to complete a cycle. A green check mark indicates the requirement is being met. A red X means it isn't. You'll also have visibility of vise and carriage position, rod row selection, rod arm position, as well as system pressures. These icons represent proximity sensors and will illuminate green when the sensor sees something in front of it. In the event of a fault, information displayed on the ARE screen can assist in troubleshooting. This all adds up to streamlined operator onboarding and interactive assistance on your D24 every day. Speaking of troubleshooting, let's head back to the main drill display screen, which is meant to be active during the drilling process, and talk about what happens on screen if a fault occurs. First, a pop-up will appear. Tapping the fault pop-up will enlarge the window. The fault code and description will be displayed. The operator can access additional information and potential troubleshooting procedures. Historic faults are also stored and can be referenced. This data includes how many times a given fault has been triggered. Onboard diagnostics, prescriptive troubleshooting, and stored fault codes are all intended to reduce downtime and minimize the effort needed to facilitate timely repairs and get operators back in seats. Customers will use all this data in different ways. Some will feel comfortable utilizing these diagnostic tools to tackle fixes themselves, while others will lean on dealer support to make it across the finish line. Either way, onboard diagnostics are expediting troubleshooting solutions and increasing chances for single-trip service resolutions to all crews operating a Gen 4 D24.